What if I told you you can run dozens of TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube accounts all from one laptop without getting banned? Sounds unrealistic, right? Well, that's exactly what I thought until I tried this. Let me show you. Most people trying to scale content or run multiple accounts hit the same wall. You create a few TikTok or Instagram accounts and then suddenly they get flagged, shadow banned, or worse, completely deleted. And the reason is simple. These platforms track device fingerprints, IP addresses, behavior patterns, so everything looks identical and they know it's you. So trying to fix this by buying multiple phones, using proxies and switching accounts manually can become very expensive, messy, and honestly, just not scalable. So this is where Geelark completely changes the game. It gives you access to real Android devices in the cloud, not emulators, not fake environments. Actual cloud-based phones that behave like independent devices. You can literally spin up multiple phones from your dashboard. Each one has its own identity, its own environment, and its own fingerprint. So platforms treat them as completely separate users. So instead of buying 10 physical phones, you just open Geelark and manage everything from one place. And the crazy part is, as we can see here, you get access to TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, X, and Reddit, as well as many others here, all at the same time without constantly logging in and out or risking bans. Now, they also have their AI co-pilot. So it doesn't just help you manage accounts, it helps you create content. They've integrated AI tools so you can generate videos directly inside this platform. And if we go for text to video here, what we can do is see that they do use all of the top models or LLMs here for generating videos. So it's all integrated. You can turn simple ideas into actual video content. For example, let's type in a man running. Now we can set our aspect ratio here, we can set our resolution and the duration here too. Once we're happy, we press submit. And in no time at all, we can see we have a man running in the park here, and it looks incredibly realistic. Now you could apply this to any type of viral short form content. It could be motivational short form about discipline. It could be top 3 crypto trends. And honestly guys, whatever you type in here, within minutes, you'll have a ready to post video. So this is huge for faceless creators because now you don't need to film, you don't need editing skills, you don't even need to be on camera. You're basically turning ideas into content at scale. Now let's talk about something most people overlook. New accounts get banned fast, not because of content, but because they look fake. They have no activity, no history, and no natural behavior. And that is a massive red flag for algorithms like Google or TikTok. Geelark actually solves this with AI account warmer. This simulates real human behavior, like scrolling, liking, or engaging with posts. So your accounts don't just look like bots, they look like real users. The setup here is actually very simple. You simply just add the profile and then it will start automatically warming up that account. This is especially important if you're running multiple accounts or doing affiliate marketing, because one mistake and your whole setup can get wiped by Google. Now imagine combining all of this with automation. You can upload content, schedule posts, and automate engagement. Likes, comments, interactions, all handled automatically. So instead of spending hours every day manually posting, you set everything up once and just let the system run. This is where scaling actually becomes realistic, because now you're not limited by time. You can run 10 accounts, 20 accounts, or even 100 accounts with this setup, all without increasing your workload. And if you're running this as a business, this gets even more powerful. Here we have the team access section. So you can add team members very easily. So you can add team members, assign roles, and manage everything centrally. So if you're an agency, you can simply just manage multiple clients, brands, or niches all in one easy-to-use dashboard. No confusion, no sharing passwords, and no chaos. Just structured, scalable control. So realistically, who is this for? This makes the most sense if you're a faceless content creator, running TikTok automation, doing affiliate marketing, managing multiple social media accounts, or scaling your own agency. If you're just posting casually, you probably don't need this. But if you're trying to scale, this is where it starts to make sense. At the end of the day, attention is everywhere, but distribution and scale, that's where most people struggle. Tools like this remove that bottleneck. If you want to check it out, I will leave a link in the description. Test it for yourself and see how far you can actually scale. That's going to be it from me. I will see you in the next video.